Today's Tuesday Tech Tip is about voice-in-voice typing. Now, many of us know about voice typing. We've used it before. But what we don't realize is that voice typing can really help us with our productivity. We're used to talking about it for accessibility, but it works for us well as teachers in both, and it can be a time saver. We're familiar with Google Docs and the voice typing. If not, let me give you a quick demonstration. So I have a blank Google Doc open. I go to Tools, and I go to Voice Typing. And I can click to speak. And here we go. Period. New line. So what most of us don't realize is that we can use voice typing in Google Docs. Period. New line. However, there's an add-on that allows us to use voice typing on any web page that has a text box. Period. New line. You'll notice as I'm speaking, I'm using a couple of words that we're not used to using when typing. Period. The idea of writing a new line is a little bit different for us as we're talking, comma. However, comma, you can see how it works. Period. New line. And that's how voice typing works. Of course, as the English teacher in me, I want to go back and fix my grammar and my punctuation. Now there's a Chrome extension at the Chrome Web Store called Voice-in-Voice Typing. And what this extension does is it allows you to type in any web page that has a text box. What's nice about it is that as teachers, we could use it for our email if we use the web-based email to type our emails and increase our productivity. So to get the Voice-in-Voice Typing extension, I go to the Chrome Web Store, search Voice-in-Voice Typing, and click on it. I can read down here a little bit more about what Voice-in-Voice Typing does, and I've already added it to Chrome. And we can see it up here on my mini extensions list. It's called Voice-in-Voice Typing. Now to use it, I have two ways to start it. Now in my web mail, I can click on this. I can right click and it'll say start recording. Dear teachers, today's Tuesday Tech Tip is all about voice typing, period. Voice typing can help in accessibility and productivity for you and your students, period. Then when I right click, I can click stop recording. I found out that if I didn't do that, it just kept writing what I was saying. So now I do have a little bit, I got to go back and proofread it. So dear teachers, period. And it says today is, and I wanted it to say today's. So it's not perfect, but it sure does help. Today's Tuesday Tech Tip is about voice typing. So I'll put together this email to send out later today. So now it works on any web page that has a text box. So I'm in a Google Classroom here, and I want to create a class announcement. So I can activate it by right-clicking, or I can simply click up here on that, and it'll activate right away. Notice the things that I'm saying are going into my Google assignment. And that's how it works in any text box on any web page. When I'm done, I just click it again and it turns it off. And that's not what I wanted to say, so I'm going to delete that. But I could come back in and use this. Many of us are used to using voice to text for text messaging on our phones, and it's great that we can transfer it over to our Chromebooks. Students will have access to this as well, and we can teach our students how to use it for their productivity. So give it a try.